Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? First of all, happy new year to everyone. This is the first video of this year on my channel, and guess what I am doing today? First of all, let me say this. I love this look right now. It is so pretty, and the attire, the hair, everything just looks so nice. So you see this red color in my hair, that is the type of eye makeup I'm going to do today. Also, I'm going to tell you my whole entire hair color story so that if you want to get this hair color in your hair, you know what to do, you know how it is. So yes, if you guys want to know everything, you want to know how I did this look, definitely let's just go. It will be a full beat, with this full face in fast forward, and then the eye makeup in depth along with my hair color story. And yes guys, let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so this is what we are on to, zoomed in with the glow, looking pretty, everything. And okay, I'll take you through my hair story, and we are going to make work with this palette from Huda Beauty, no sorry, from SFR Color Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. And this is almost a dupe to the Huda Beauty one, and yeah, nevertheless we are going to work with it. Now I think I will move in with the color, this color right here. We just have like four matte shades, and out of which one is this one, which is pretty much useless, so we'll work with these three. And let me just go with this red color into the crease, and let me tell you the story of my hair color. Okay, so basically I am somebody who's obsessed with my hair, and I'm one of those people who are like, okay, if my hair looks good, my life is pretty much fine and good. So that's why I tend to get bored with my hair like very soon. After a while I'm like, okay, I need something new in my hair, something new in my life. This color is getting pretty much like boring and everything. So yeah, that is what happened to me. And I was actually planning to like get my hair colored. I was actually planning to get my hair colored gray, right? So I went to the parlor, the normal parlor I really go to, and I actually went for the haircut. I was like, yeah, let me get my haircut first, and we'll see what we really need to. I was like, no, I'm not going to get my hair colored. Let me just get for the haircut. So I got my hair cut, and then I was like, yeah, okay, let me go for the color also. And the person who was actually cutting my hair was like, go for the hair color. I'm going to give you like a very pretty wine color to your hair. And I was like, okay, yeah, theek hai, kar do. And that is what happened, and I got this hair colored, guys. And the color right now you can see in my hair is much lighter. I got a much darker color, but what really happens is that every time I wash my hair, it's a bloody mess. A lot of red color comes out because obviously I am taking this Maybelline brush, and I am actually going to take this color, right, and I'm going to blend what we have already done. So that is what happens. There is a lot of red color that comes out of my hair. That is how I have started to lose the intensity in the color. So the color that was actually pretty red at the beginning is now on more subtle side, and that is how the whole entire red color will just come out of my hair, just like what happened to the blue color, right? And I mean, I am not mad at it, because obviously that is how the red color actually disappears. I did some R&D, and it was like every time you will wash the hair, the red color will just come out. And yeah, so you won't believe my towels are literally red right now. So this is almost blended, right? Let me just give it like a quick swirl above. Because the person who was doing my hair color actually told me that this color will stay for like 6 months. I'm sure 6 months is definitely not the time period it will stay. it will stay for like a few months and like 2 months. I think depending on the intensity with which you wash your hair. I wash my hair literally every other day, so definitely mine wouldn't stay for 6 months, 2 months at the max, and then I'll be left with the blonde hair, because the red color was actually put onto the blonde hair. My hair was actually dyed blonde and then the red color was put on it, so I definitely will not be left with just plain black hair. There will be blonde color to it. So definitely my hair color will last me for an eternity, because blonde color never leaves you, literally it does not. You know what, everybody in this world will leave you, but not the blonde color. So feel lucky if you have blonde in your hair, because that will stay by your side no matter what. So I'll move into this darker plum color, kind of like a wine color, just like my hair, and we'll do all the crease, you know, just the sides and everything, and then we'll cut the crease and move into the metallic. Yeah, let me do that. So yes, that is the whole hair story that happened. That is how it is now. Because my hair color is losing intensity every other day, I decided that I need to do something like a video on it, because otherwise it will just fade away. I'll be left with no color at all. So yes. So we have like 5 metallic shades, and let me just see which looks really nice with this one. I don't know how they really look, because this is the first time I'm testing this palette. Let me just give like a rough swatch to each of these. So this is this one. Ooh. Then this is this one. This is the black one, and this is this one, and this is this one. This is how it looks. These are pretty vibrant colors, and tough call. Okay, I think I will go with 2 shimmers. One would be this one, this one. This is like really pretty nude one. I think I'll go with this one. This looks like very shimmery, but isn't very shimmery. It is more on the matter side. I think I will take this on the crease brush and like this. Yes, that is better. Now with the nuder color, and we'll just put it on the entire lid. I think this is pretty much it for this one. We'll go with the wing liner, right? Let's just do the winged liner, and then we'll move into the lower lash line also. Okay, so I'll be putting like a brown pencil on my lash line, and then we'll move into the lower lash line and just give like a final touch to the whole eye makeup. Now we will move into this plum color, this wine plum kind of shade, and let's just smoke the lower lash line. So this is how it looks, and now we are going to put some glitter again. We are going to go with this shade, this right here, and we are going to put it on the remaining lash line. Taking a fluffier brush, and I'm quickly going to take this particular color over here and just going to, you know, like just I'll go with this color on the inner corner. Let's just see, like a pop of like a dark color. Let's just see how it really works. So this is how it actually turned out, and it's pretty nice. Now I just want to give like a final touch to this whole entire look. So yes guys, this is the final look and this is how it is. Oh my god, I am really in love with this whole entire eye, this whole attire, this hair, and you know, everything being so cohesive and nice. And yes, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. In next video we are going to test some new products. You know, the lipstick you saw me wearing, that is a new lipstick from a new brand, a celebrity collaboration. So stay tuned for that, and yes, I'll meet you then. Bye bye.